The best job I ever had was one where I could be home with my kids during their waking moments and still pay our bills on time each month. Great words of wisdom by Julia Child. Because life becomes a symphony when you can settle your bills without stepping out. Well, there are 397 million search results for illegal ways to make money. But don't worry, you won't have to go to jail to make some extra cash. You see, making money without moving a finger is like hitting the financial jackpot. And let me tell you, there's a bounty of opportunities out there. So, we're diving deep into the realm of legitimacy, where cash flows like a river and scams are left at the door. At Finspiration, we live and breathe the philosophy of making your money work as hard as you do. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to earn while catching some Z's? So strap in and hold on to your financial dreams, because we're about to unveil the top 5 websites that'll have your wallet thanking you without you ever breaking a sweat. Let's dive into this treasure trove of passive income possibilities, shall we? Number 1. Honeygain. Ever thought your internet connection could be more than just a gateway to cute cat videos and Netflix binges? Enter Honeygain, the rebel of the passive income world. They're the first ones who thought, hey, why not share your internet and get paid for it? Genius, right? This app makes your internet connection the star of the show by lending it to third parties. Think of it as your connections world tour. Data scientists, Fortune 500 bigwigs, and other trusty companies all get a piece of the action. Their connection powers up third-party proxy services, keeping the digital universe spinning smoothly. And the best part, you pocket cash for it. It's like being a superhero without leaving your couch. So go ahead, let your internet hustle for you. Now, let's talk numbers. How much can you rake in? Well, it's like a buffet. The more data you share, the juicier the paycheck. And if your internet's as fast as a lightning bolt, you might just hit the jackpot. Once you set it up, it's like having a secret money-making agent working for you 24/7, even in your sleep. We're talking about a legit, solid income here, not the measly pennies you find between your couch cushions. So, whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or out on a wild adventure, your internet connection's turning into your personal cash cow. Number 2. Snapwire. Ever heard the saying, do what you love and the money will follow? Well, Snapwire took that mantra and turned it into an empire. Let's rewind a bit. It's 2012, and 2 photography aficionados, Chad Newell and Ryan Dewing, decided they'd had enough of the status quo. They rolled up their sleeves, grabbed their cameras, and founded Snapwire, the ultimate haven for photographers and videographers of all stripes. Snapwire isn't just a transactional platform, it's a bustling marketplace where creativity meets commerce. Imagine a digital gallery where your snapshots and cinematic wonders get their own red carpet. Clients from every nook and cranny of the planet come shopping for your visual masterpieces. Did I forget to mention that it's a community where photographers gather around to swap tips, spill secrets, and even team up on projects that make the creative universe hum with excitement? Snapwire isn't just a platform, it's an empire. An empire that's even caught the attention of investors who have tossed in a whopping $15 million to keep the camera flash popping. So, are you ready to turn your lens into a money printer? The world is waiting for your visual symphony. Now, let's dive into the next money-making gem on our list. Number 3. Rakuten. Remember those times when you splurged on online shopping and then got a side order of guilt? Say goodbye to that, because Rakuten's about to turn your shopping escapades into a cashback fiesta. It's simple as you sign up, link your trusty credit or debit card, and boom, you are in. Now, whenever you hit those tempting add to cart buttons, Rakuten is your personal cash genie. Rakuten is like a trusty psychic that makes sure you never pay full price again. Cashback rewards start rolling in like it's raining dollar bills. Rakuten also flaunts exclusive coupons and deals like confetti at a party. So not only are you earning, but you're saving big too. Hold your horses for this. Unlike your stash of actual cash, your Rakuten cashback has no limits. The more you shop, the more gold bars you collect. And the best part, it's all legit, ethical, and way cooler than robbing a bank. Trust me on that one. So why not give your shopping sprees a golden makeover? Turn your everyday purchases into a steady stream of cashback. Rakuten's here to show that being a smart shopper isn't just about clipping coupons. It's time to turn every swipe into a high five to your wallet. So go ahead, splurge a little, save a little, and watch that pocket of yours get a whole lot heavier. Number 4. Etsy. Alright, grab your glue guns and dust off those knitting needles, because we're heading to Etsy Town, where arts, crafts, and dollars mingle in the ultimate marketplace extravaganza. Etsy isn't just an online store, it's your very own creative kingdom. It's like a DIY party where you're the guest of honor. Got handmade trinkets that are screaming to be shared with the world. Etsy's got your back. Now, I know what you're thinking, what's the catch? Well, hold on to your paintbrushes, because there isn't one. You set the stage by creating your shop and calling the shots on your prices. It's like having your own online gallery where the price tags are your own masterpiece. But that's not all. You're the captain of your shipping ship. Choose how you want to send those artful treasures, whether it's the speediest express or the most economical snail mail. And guess what? You're not just selling locally, Etsy ships globally. Your creations could be hopping from your studio to someone's doorstep halfway across the world. Now, let's talk shop. Etsy takes a 3.5% transaction fee, a small price to pay for the convenience of a bustling marketplace, and they toss in a humble 20 cents listing fee for each item you put up for sale. A small price to pay for a ticket to your entrepreneurial adventure, right? But wait, there's a twist in this creative tale. Do you want to amplify your Etsy empire? How about selling a PDF of a digital product? No physical overhead means a whopping 100% profit. Yeah, you heard me right. A digital product means no pesky production costs eating into your cash stack. It's like getting paid while you're still in your pajamas. And remember, in the world of Etsy, you're not just selling, you're building a masterpiece of financial prowess, ready to become the Picasso of passive income. Then gather your brushes, warm up your glue guns, and let Etsy be your stage. Last but not least on our electrifying tour of passive income goodness, we present to you a gem that's shining brighter than a supernova. Number 5. Substack. Ladies and gentlemen, writers, poets, and podcasters, gather round. Substack is here to turn your literary brilliance into cold hard cash. It's like the jackpot of the writing world, where your thoughts become your treasure trove. Let's say you've got a voice that's smoother than butter, ideas that can outwit Einstein, and storytelling skills that rival Shakespeare. Well, my friend, Substack's got your back. With the wave of a digital wand and some keyword tapping, you can create a Substack account faster than a lightning bolt. Once you're in, it's showtime. Drop your content like it's hot, set up your very own subscription plan, and watch the magic unfold. Readers, hungry for your literary delicacies, flock to your digital oasis. They hit that subscribe button faster than you can say passive income jackpot. And here's where the money rain begins. Subscribers pay to access your literary universe, and Substack, that trusty sidekick, handles the billing and payments like a seasoned money maestro. You focus on crafting your next masterpiece, and Substack takes care of the rest. It's like having a personal financial manager without the stuffy suits and stern looks. But wait, there's more. Substack isn't just about raking in the green. It's about community, connection, and turbocharging your fan base. Email newsletters, check. Social media tools, double check. Analytics to make your data-loving heart skip a beat, triple check. And let's not forget, it's not just writers celebrating Substack's brilliance. Readers adore it too. So, if you're ready to turn your prose into profit and your podcast into paper bills, Substack is your backstage pass to the world of passive income stardom. There you have it, folks, the fantastic 5 of our passive income extravaganza. From sharing your internet connection to setting up shop on Substack, these are your golden tickets to the realm of financial freedom. So, go forth, unleash your creativity, and let these platforms transform your downtime into prime time. But wait, there's more. If you enjoyed this eye-opening journey through the realm of legit passive income, why not hit that subscribe button? And don't just stop at subscribing. Give that like button for algorithm tap dance. And now, my savvy readers, here's a little thought snack for you to chew on. What's your creative niche? Are you a maestro of words, a podcasting virtuoso, or a fusion of both? Drop your creative pearls in the comments below and let's keep the inspiration flowing. Remember, the world of passive income is your oyster, and these platforms are your pearls. Dive in, create, and let the cash current carry you to the shores of financial independence. Until next time.